What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. I can almost guarantee you that before the end of this video, I'm gonna cry because I got something in the mail that is absolutely unbelievable to me. Amy Learns to Cook reached 100,000 subscribers a couple weeks ago, and YouTube sent me a silver play button. And I just want to say that this silver play button is because of all of you. So, what's up? It's Wednesday. I knew that was going to happen. But I have some lemonade to celebrate, right? A few years ago, I had this really strange idea to make a video and upload it to YouTube. And it was we were just having a little fun. And we were out at a camping trip, and we were making Eric's famous ABTs. So basically, ABTs are jalapeno poppers that you stuff with a little smoky cream cheese, you wrap it in bacon, and you smoke it. And we were on a camping trip, so we were headed to a potluck, and I filmed it, and we had no idea what we were doing, and I uploaded it to YouTube just for the fun of it, right? So Eric was making a bunch of fun about the fact that I can't cook. And when I created the video, I didn't even really know how to edit. It took me, seriously, 2 days to edit it. And I was editing it on a little laptop that was way too slow. It couldn't render it out. It couldn't do hardly anything. It took like a whole day to get it to render out. And he was making fun of me about not being able to cook. And I looked at him, I said, Amy is gonna learn how to cook. And so that's what I call it, Amy Learns to Cook. It's the silliest name ever. And now that we're a couple of years away from that, I'm like, why did I name it that? But I guess it has just stuck, right? I got a comment just the other day saying you need to change the name of your channel because Amy has already learned how to cook. And I think sort of my idea about that is no matter how well you cook, you're always learning to cook. And there's a lot of things that I don't know how to cook. So it will always be Amy Learns to Cook, right? Over the course of the last several years, we just kept making videos and people kept watching. And it came sort of a thing that me and Eric, it became both of our hobbies. I don't know if Eric is necessarily at the beginning into my pan obsession. I did a confession about that along the way. And he was not, he just pretty much made fun of my pan collection. And he knew how obsessed I was about it, but I don't think he knew quite how obsessed I was about it. And along the way, it changed from just being my hobby to being both of our hobbies. Sometimes when I'm feeling tired or stressed or something like that, and I just say, oh, I don't want to make a video, there's Eric pushing me saying, get in here and do it, right? So I think this is as much for me as it is for him. I also think that this is for you because Eric was just telling me what 100,000 subscribers is. He told me it's a football field full of people. It's 2 football fields full of people in the stands. And I just look at that and I'm like amazed that we have come so far from me uploading one little video from a camping trip to more than 100,000 people hit the subscribe button. And that is amazing. So YouTube sent me this little award. It's the silver play button, and I wanted to share my opening with you because you are the reason that we even have this. This is our award. And we've built quite a community between YouTube and Facebook and Instagram, which is growing. and my new website that is coming out, right? I've been working on that, struggling because I'm doing it myself. I'm not a web person. So, I mean, there's so much. You just see this little thing and you think, oh, it's a little award. But behind this award, there's so much. And it's pretty unbelievable. So let's get this thing open. Unbox, right? Let's get this open. I'm going to start lying again. This thing is, they want you to have fun getting it open. Okay.
I wonder if that lemonade's making it any harder.
Yeah, what's the lemonade doing it? That's my celebrating. To you guys, thank you. Wow, this is cool. Woo. And there's a letter here. Wow. Amazing. I don't want to look at that yet. So there is someone who inspected this. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievements and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected with great care by Rick. Thank you, Rick.
Thank you.
And we have a letter from the president of YouTube. You have done something that very few YouTuber creators accomplish. You Okay, let me try this again. You have done something that very few YouTubers accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, and we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor. That's for sure. What you've accomplished can't be taken away. We would like to recognize you and your hard work with the Silver Creator Award. We know that you didn't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe it when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers? May seem a long way off, but you're closer than you think. Yay, look at this.
Yay.
Can I get it out? Whew. Wow, that's amazing. It says, presented to Amy Learns to Cook for passing 100,000 subscribers. That's amazing. Thanks, you guys. So, guys, thank you. This is the best Wednesday ever, right? 100,000 subscribers. It's amazing. And it's because of you guys. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. And we have a lot of fun stuff ahead. So our next one will be 1 million, right? Yay! Thank you. And happy Wednesday. I hope you have a great week. Spring is coming. And we have a renewed commitment to learning to cook along with our silver play button. Once again, thank you from me and Eric. We really appreciate this. We are going to display this. I might put it back there on a little stand for a little while so we can just really think about, you know, everything that's behind this. and I really appreciate it. If you like this video, please subscribe below and leave a comment and a like. And don't forget to visit my website at amylearnstocook.com. Come over and see me on social media, Pinterest and Twitter at Amy Learns to Cook. Also on Facebook, my group is Amy Learns to Cook, and Instagram, you can catch me at Cooking with Amy.